A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. June 1, we're going to start back on the Jamaican New Testament. But until then, we're going to just go and read 2 Saamz. Today, we're going to read Saamz 8. And remember, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language. Just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So, Saamz 8. That Saamz yeah, for the choir leader. Only if you sing it on the God people them tune. I want a David Saamz them. Well, Lord God, your name big, you know. Everybody upon earth see how big you be. What a way you show how big you be till your prayers reach up at heaven. You make picnic and little baby sing and praise you to make your enemy them see your power. For also the one them we fight against you. When me look on the sky and see all the way you take your own finger do, the moon and the star where you make, and oh, are you same one? Put them where them for go. I have to ask, where people what? Make your business with them so. We are just people, matter so much. Make you pay with no mind. You make man just little lower than the angel them. You give him power. You raise him up high, like a crown you put on panny head. You make him rule over everything where you make, and every single thing, and you make him have power over them. All of the sheep, cow, the whole of them, and all the wild animal were out there in a field. The bird them in the sky and the fish them in the sea. Not just the fish them one, but everything else will move out there in the sea. Well, Lord God, your name big, you know. Everybody upon earth see how big you be. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.